description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And what we got here is Nissin Cup Noodles Miso. And this came out of an advent calendar box that was sent by Nissin, Germany. Thank you very much. And it is time to go ahead and get miso with this stuff. So let's do that. Doop-a-doop, up to the line. Up to there. And 3 minutes. What? 2:45? Oh, that's right. Alright, so it is Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025. Cold weather for me. I'm guessing you're enjoying the wonders of almost summer. That's cool. I'll be looking forward to that. I don't like the whole walking around and worrying about whether it's going to be slick or not. We had a different bus driver than when I got my kids on the bus this morning. I was like, hey, you're not here until usually in the afternoon. What gives? She's like, well, the regular bus driver got rear-ended this morning. It's like, oh. And that's probably because of ice. Some idiot not watching. It could have nothing to do with ice as well. But somebody's day was probably not so great after he ran into a bus because their bumpers are so high. That would just go right in your windshield. Ugh. I'd think. But hopefully all is well. Hopefully my buddy, the Korean bus driver guy who I've given very large amounts of instant noodles to. And he actually gave me some. I got to review those. I've reviewed them before, but it's been a while, so maybe I'll do that again. He gave me a pack of Otogi Jin Jajang. So it looks like they're changing their packaging. I think that's interesting too. But you know what I'm hoping? I got a new contact over at Nissin Germany. I need to touch base with them and go, hey, because I really want I want to do an unboxing of the full set of all the Nissin Deme ramen varieties, and then I want to do a special definitive guide to them because they're really good and they're all over Europe. So I think that would be cool for the European audience that comes to my website. I get people from the US, Canada, Britain, Singapore, Taiwan, all over the world, and mostly places that were that the threat of tariffs have been put on, unfortunately. But I hope your world is going well. We shall see. But it's official. As of last night, I looked and it said Gulf of America on Google Maps. But I'm wondering, if you're in, say, Canada, or you're in Europe, and you go to Google Maps, does it say Gulf of America, or does it still say Gulf of Mexico? Because I think we're the only ones who are going to say, that's the Gulf of America. And you can't just... I don't think any of the other country... I'm pretty sure Mexico is just going to ignore that. It's just a weird thing. What a thing. I would think if you're going to change it with America in the name, you would call it the Gulf of the Americas. Because there's North America and South America. So, I don't know. But it's a weird thing. It's kind of trivial. Nomenclature. That would be kind of neat, though, if you could go and you could do something that would change, like render all the atlases kind of like obsolete. I mean, we have a big picture atlas. I know it didn't change the name. Am I supposed to get a crayon and change the name? And here is our broth. Now this one's different. This one's very different. The broth in this one is much more saucy. It's not screaming red miso, but I'm pretty sure it's like red miso with a couple other tweaks to it. And honestly, it's pretty good. I wasn't sure which way I would go with this one, but I do like it. Very savory, nice and warming. I mean, this is like perfect for this weather. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It makes me happy. I scared the heck out of my son last night. They were supposed to be getting ready for bed and settling down, and they were like screaming their heads off. So I walk into their room like really quietly. I'm like, "Have you gotten into bed and are you settled down yet?" And he jumped like through the roof. "Papa, you scared me." I'm like, "Did I?" Why would I do that? Why on earth would I do something like that? So this is butter, and butter goes really well in miso. I know it's not vegan, but... And I was going to add some other things, but I'm really running low on chashu, and I would normally add some chashu to this, but I've got to really conserve. But we'll see. I mean, we turned in our taxes. I'm hoping to get maybe some pork belly, make some more chashu. That'd be nice. If you're enjoying this program, please consider liking and subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything. And the rewards are endless. Well, they're not, but you know, it's a kind thing to do. It makes me happy. I'm the one cooking all this stuff up for you to look at. I would do it I don't know if I do the show per se, but I do this because I like it. I think I have fun doing this. This is an enjoyable venture for me, and I like to continuously do it. Met a lot of really interesting people. I'm gonna add some chili crisp. God, what is it with chili crisp jar lids getting like on there? So freaking tough. This is Momofuku chili crisp. Chili crunch, rather. This is just the original. I'm gonna add a little bit of this on here, right there. And that spoon is from my buddy, the Reverend Dick is in you. That's what his name is. His name is actually, well, I can't disclose that, but he, a good friend, a kindred spirit. Fascinated with all things foreign. He's from the UK. I talk to this guy all the time. It's nice. you can like and subscribe and tell all your friends and share it around, that'd be great, you know? I constantly get people asking me, why don't you have more subs? It's like, well, I don't really try all that hard, but I guess I'll try a little bit. I don't know. If you do it, cool. If you don't, that's all right. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.